Hi everyone, it's June Penny and welcome back to my channel. And before I get started, let me give you all a big old hug and tell you how much I love you and appreciate every single one of you. So yes, how beautiful is this wig? I know it's a full wig, and you guys know I'm not really keen on wigs, but I got this wig from Uniwigs and I'm absolutely loving it. So if you want to see the unboxing and the specs and everything about this full wig, just keep watching. Okay, so I got the box and now I'm just gonna open it. I'm so excited. Okay, so here we go. Look at that color, you guys. This is the Perfection Human Hair Wig, and this is a glueless full lace. How beautiful. This is the color T1B-246. It's a rooted color, and see how dark it is on top, and it's got like these caramel highlights on the bottom. Absolutely gorgeous. It's 16 inches and 130 density. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that part. Now we're gonna go in the inside of the cap and I will show you what that looks like. So this wig has 2 combs on top, right there. It has 2 clips on the side by the ear tabs and 1 comb on the bottom. So it's very, very secure. Very secure. Nice. I can't wait to get this on. Absolutely beautiful. And it came with a stretch cord for added security, along with 2 combs, 2 extra combs, and 2 clips. And a manual that basically tells you how to care for the wig, how to wash it, also returns and refunds, everything, and also your loyalty points. Now, I am going to style my wig because I want it a little bit more of a beach wave. I'm going to curl it. And remember, this is a human hair wig, so you can curl it, you can straighten it. If you had a curly wig, you can crimp it. You can basically do whatever you want to this wig as if it was your own hair. So I'm not going to the scalp. I'm just doing like halfway because I want nice beach waves. And I'm just gonna go through the head. Now you can do this while it's on your head. I prefer to do it on my styrofoam head so I can actually see the curls. But, you know, to each his own, right? So I'm just gonna go through the head really quick and just curl it up. I'll show you what it looks like. When I'm done, I'm going to spray it just a little bit just to give it that extra hold for the curls. This is really beautiful, you guys. Look at this hair. Oh my God, it's so gorgeous. Now I'm going to put the wig cap on and then I'll show you everything. Hey guys, okay, so I had the wig cap on. I know I look a little crazy, maybe a little lopsided here, but I am going to put this absolutely beautiful. Look how beautiful this came out. It's absolutely gorgeous. So if you want to see how I put the wig cap on, especially for long hair, I invite you to click over here. I will have a link down below as well as a card at the end of this video so you can click on it. It will take you to a video on how I got this long hair. You know, my hair is long, and I got it in this cap without any lumps. Very important video. So let's get on to this. So I am going to make sure the clips are open. I don't have to use the clips. I could just use the comb if I want, the 2 combs. But let's see how it feels. Okay, so here we go. I'm excited. I'm doing this all through the camera lens, you guys, so I don't know. I might have to fix it right afterwards. Let's see. Okay. Okay, let's put this in. You don't have to wear this with a wig cap if you don't want to, but if you want to, by all means. Oh, it clips in really, really easy. Okay. Look how gorgeous this piece looks. Can you see that? Let's get a close-up. Oh, I am excited. I love the color. I love the color so much, and it curled so nicely. And you could put like a drop of hairspray in just to keep the curl, but I wouldn't put too much hairspray. But look how beautiful. And if you feel like the wig is a little bit too shiny, I will have another video, probably my next video, should be on how to get rid of the shine, or you could put it in a little bit of dry shampoo just to dull it up a little bit. But I absolutely love it. Let me show you the back. Okay, so this is the back. How beautiful, right? It looks absolutely gorgeous. So the link to this will be down below if you want to purchase or any other wigs or toppers from the June Penny collection or just anywhere on the website. Don't forget to use my code June15. That's my forever code. Get 15% always. And don't forget your loyalty points. If you make reviews, you get loyalty points, which means big sales in the future. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment down below. Let me know what you think about this wig on me. Do you like the color? What do you think? I'm loving it. I think I'm gonna go out right now. That's right. All right, guys. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.